If you had 45 minutes, a table full of surprise candy, and a blank gingerbread house, what would you make for a $1,000 donation to your charity? That's what I did last night. It is the highlight of my holidays every year, is to participate in the Reliant Energy sponsored gingerbread house decorating contest. And they bring in a whole bunch of local media, people that you're watching on TV every day. So it's a little intimidating to be in the same room with them, like trying to beat them at something. Anyway, that's just fun. Anyway, so we have 45 minutes to create this house. My friend Anna helped me out again this year, and she has been with me every year that we've done this since 2014. So like I said, this is something that we look forward to every year. So now is the time that we have voting. Okay, so how the competition works is it's ready, set, go. You have to go and grab whatever ingredients that you can, because they don't have enough for everybody to have the exact same thing. So there's a little element of scrambling. And then at the end, which I was so unprepared to do this year, is you have to pitch your house. And so, okay, this is the part where I feel completely disadvantaged, because I normally write, like I might do a video, but that's just like me and you talking. This was, okay, now pitch your house to all of these news people in the room that are highly trained to just fill up time talking about things. I was terrified. I'm sure I was trembling like a leaf. I was nearly in tears because I had to talk about my dog, which I actually only did the setup and then I gave the microphone to Anna. I was like, you've got to finish. Anyway, so yeah, so there was that little uncomfortable element to the whole thing. This was probably the most traumatic year of all the years that we've been doing it. So next year, I think I'll pick something a little less close to home and one that doesn't make me want to throw up and cry in front of everybody. But anyway, they were all very kind and nice and took pity on the poor, shy blogger who couldn't find her words. Anyway, so just sharing that little bit too. So at the event, they do a judge's choice, and this year it was won by the folks from D Magazine, and they had this really, really, really great Yellowstone themed house. I mean, it was spot on. I would have voted for it, to be honest. So then they had a runner-up, first year that they've had a runner-up, and that was Hannah Battah with Fox 4. And her house was really good as well. So those two are out of the running. I think that they've already won theirs. I don't think that they can win any more money, but I'm not 100% sure. But now it's up to the people's choice. And so we put up our houses for everybody to see and people to vote on their favorites. So I am showing you our house. I hope that you love it. I hope that you will vote for it so that we can increase our donation to Canine Companions by another $1,000. So that's Reliant's deal. If you win Judge's Choice or People's Choice, they make an additional $2,000 donation, actually, I think. So they are so generous, and we just love participating. And just the fact that we've already won with the initial donation just warms my heart. So I really, really hope that you will consider voting for my house. And this one kind of hit deep, to be honest with you, because I picked my charity the day before my sweet dear pug died. And I know seems like it's doing the sympathy vote, but I've been floored for like a week. I can just now talk about it. So this one was really, really meaningful for me. So anyway, I would just be really touched if you could vote for me. So thank you. Happy holidays, and show me your gingerbread houses because I need some ideas for next year. Hey, like always, if you are new to my channel and you're just now finding me, thanks so much. My name is Trista of Tried and True by Trista. I have a blog that I have been publishing on since 2010. We do a lot of DIY and some kind of extreme retail experiences around town. So I would be so honored if you would click that like button if you like this content today, and hit the subscribe button if you would maybe like to see some more and follow along. So I hope that you will, and I hope I see you again soon. Thanks so much.